Firstly, I'll take your second question first. Okay. One of the things I strongly believe, what our ancient way is, we must respectfully listen to all points of view and realize that we can actually learn from everyone. सरस्वती माँ का आशीर्वाद हर किसी को मिल सकता है, and that all of us should have the same point of view is not necessary. In fact, if two people have exact same point of view on every single issue, then one of them is not required. And you see, and we are talking about Prabhu Sri Ram, there's a way, and you're also from, if I heard correctly, you're from Ayodhya. So there is a popular lok katha, a folk story in UP, Bihar, that when Ravan lay dying on the battlefield, Prabhu Sri Ram told Prabhu Lakshman that Ravan may have been our opponent, but he's very knowledgeable, he's very talented, he was a Param Shiv Bhakt, just as we are. So he told Prabhu Lakshman that go and learn from Ram. And he also told him that since you will be learning from Ravan, and in effect, you will be a student, you will treat Ravan with respect. Now imagine, that is the example Lord Ram left for us. Even with Ravan, he said, I will treat him with respect. Ravan, who had kidnapped his wife, Ravan, who he fought a dharma yudh with, in with him, Prabhu Sri Ram said, when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to debate, I will treat him with respect. That is what we should learn from Prabhu Sri Ram. Respectfully engage with people who have a different point of view. That is the Indian way. And have an opportunity to learn from them. And one of the things you will realize, it's one of the things I've learned in life. If you speak politely and nicely, you will be surprised how much someone else will be willing to listen to you. Because if we start abusing, if we start name calling, if we start talking down to a person, why will that person listen to you? One of the things that's there in our Jataka tales कि भाई अगर ग्लास में पानी भरना है, सबसे पहले ग्लास उल्टा नहीं होना चाहिए, सीधा होना चाहिए. If you insult someone, आप उसके मन का जो ग्लास है, आप उसे उल्टा कर दे रहे हो. क्या फायदा? And you're losing the opportunity that you might learn something from that person as well, which will be useful for you. So one of the things I genuinely believe in life, always engage with manners, with politeness. Satyam bruat priyam bruat. Speak the truth, but speak it with politeness, with love. Na bruat satyam apriyam. If you cannot speak the truth with love and politeness, then don't speak it. Always engage respectfully, politely. You will be surprised how much you will learn, and you will be surprised how much impact you can have on others. So let's never try and force our point of view on anyone. That's not the Indian way. That's part to the second thing. On the first part, very, very good question what you raised, that what can we do as citizens? And one of the key things we Indians have to realize, why is it that India has managed COVID so well as compared to much, much, much richer Western countries? Almost every other Western country has a far worse fatality ratio out of COVID, far worse infection ratio, far worse vaccination. In every parameter, Western countries are doing worse than India. Despite being much richer than us, despite having a much bigger health system, bureaucracy, everything, they have everything going for them. And yet they performed worse. I think a big portion of that reason is in the West, the society expects the government to do everything. Whereas in India, society expects कि काफी कुछ हम खुद ही करेंगे. Only things we can't do, we expect help from the government. This kind of nation, where society is also strong, is actually a much stronger nation. We are seeing it with COVID. सरकार हर जगह थोड़ी ना हो सकती है. Even in rich nations like US and UK and France and Germany, the government cannot be everywhere. It is not possible. Many things society has to manage by itself. And this is just one example. Many other areas like this, keeping our culture alive. There's a lot that the education system can do, but there's a lot that we ourselves as members of society can do with our children, with our support groups, with everywhere. And that is the model that Indian society should go with, all of us citizens should go with. And I think we actually follow that model, which is why we managed COVID better. मतलब जिम्मेदारी हमें भी लेनी है, सब कुछ सरकार के ऊपर छोड़ना है, वो अच्छी बात नहीं है. और देखिए, जितना ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी हम सरकार के ऊपर छोड़ेंगे, उतनी कम शक्ति समाज के पास होगी. You think you're delegating work to the government, as many Western societies thought they're doing. They're also delegating power to the government. तो society must remain strong. कई चीज हम खुद संभालेंगे. Government doesn't have to do everything. That is the Indian way.
I'll take the final question. We'll have the final question.
जी.